Hello and welcome to this project-oriented course presented by Motion Guru team. In this course, we will focus on the techniques and tips used in the Efficiency Nova project. You will learn techniques like designing in flat style in shape layers, animating a crowded scene, creating smooth and complex animations, making dynamic items in flat style, useful effects, morphing, merging shapes, creating 3D objects, creating and animating a human hand, Newton plugin, and advanced stroke rigging. Prerequisites for this tutorial is the introductory After Effects course.